tell y'all here, guys, that my brother on the ZX6R has a new fucking exhaust on his bike. That sounds amazing. And it's the SC project. Can you hear that? That's crazy, boys. I don't know what that expedition's called. Woo-hoo! Superman! Superman position! Har du ridit någon gång?
Nej. Bara
aldrig? Ja.
Jag har ridit kamel då.
Okej.
De är läskiga för när de ska så här börja, när de ställer sig upp. Då först man man ställer sig upp så. Och sen med framfötterna som man, eller för händerna, man tror att man ska ramla framåt liksom.
Ja. Det blir som en stoppy.
Ja, typ, faktiskt.
En kamelstoppy. Okay. This is just like fucking... It's not a lot of material. I'm very close to the road. Where the fuck are you, man? I can't see you. I'm getting chased by a fucking shark. Ugh!
Here comes Johnny.
I'm fucking scared, bros. I'm scared. He's coming. This curve is fucking sharp. All right. Holy shit.
I'm gonna get you.
Oh. Fuck. 13 seconds. Oh, fuck me too. No. Yeah. Breaking and shaking. What is my time? Oh wait, that's the flag, right?
That's it.
That's it, man. Oof. That was fucking intense, bro. How would I turn this shit off? Dude, the bike feels so much better than that go-kart though. It's so smooth. The engine. This is what I like.
I have gräsklipparmotor.
Ja. Gräsklippare alltså. Lawn mower engine. Oh no, where's my bro? Okay.
SC Project soundtrack.
Fucking beautiful.
You are.
You are my man.
Before we go on, for your viewers, do not try this at home. I'm a professional idiot. And you are a professional know your limits guy, which is good. Basically what I'm trying to say is you know your limits.